Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today, talking to you about a new product. It's called the Flex Ops Package. Super cool setup. Let's do this. Okay, let's check out the Flex Ops Package now. So for years, we have sold what's called the Special Ops Package, which is sewn into seat covers. Now this is an option that you get all the same functionality of the Special Ops Package, but it is a removable option, and it's called the Flex Ops Package. So this can be added to your seats, no seat cover purchase required, and it connects around the headrests, and it's really designed for headrests that are removable. So removable headrests, and then there's also a strap down below that goes around the seat to secure it down at the bottom. Now it has the same functionality of the Special Ops Package, which is 4 large storage pockets that form the rifle slings. So you can see these slings hanging down right around here. And then there's MOLLE webbing up at the top section. Here, you can see I have these road flares stuck into that MOLLE webbing, but you can add different MOLLE webbing attachments, other bags on top of this. You know, if you want to have an extra MOLLE bag attached on there, you can add that on there. Great place for sunglasses or safety glasses as well, hanging on there. And the lower storage pockets down here, which is great for gloves or safety and survival supplies. Here's some first aid supplies. I got stuffed in this one right now. And now there's a few new features on the Flex Ops Package, as well as on the Special Ops Package has had some recent new upgrades to it. Some of the new recent upgrades are that there is a Velcro, a loop Velcro section sewn to the top up here, and that's so you can put on your morale patches up here. So you can see we have the Covers Camo American flag elk head morale patch stuck on right now. So now that's awesome. So you can put your morale patches up there, love it. And the other thing that is new is that this now can carry bows as well. So it has a pocket right here that is a large pocket that opens up. Now, maybe you're just gonna use that for storage, and that's fine. You could use smaller items and put items inside there. But the reason this was designed as a large pocket is so a compound bow could slide in right here, and then on this top strap up here, at the very top up here, this would open up and then connect around the top side of the bow up here, okay? So you can now carry compound bows, and then also for those avid bow hunters that also use a crossbow, there is another hidden pocket up on the inside of this that even drops down deeper, that the base of a crossbow can fit inside right here, and then also it straps up at the top up here. So bow hunters, you've been asking for years, and you know, so we finally got it. So that is some of the new additions to the Special Ops Package, but as seen, it's also new additions to this Flex Ops Package. And the biggest difference now is the Flex Ops Package can be removed and attached to seats without a seat cover purchase required. And again, just a great system for storing, organizing your gear, carrying rifles back here or other long items, fishing poles, whatever, you know, construction equipment that you may have as well. Great ideas there for organizing, so then you really get some awesome functionality to the back of your seats. Thanks so much for watching this video. Again, this has been Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. If you'd like to see more videos like this, go to coversandcamo.com. Also, check out our Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube channels where you can see different sets of seat covers that we've built up or other accessories that you can add to the seat covers, like the Flex Ops Package or other different things like that you can add in there and make an awesome set for your vehicle. coversandcamo.com. Thanks.